The coronavirus continues to ravage the United States, killing more than 400,000 and infecting more than 24 million Americans since the pandemic started. California health officials say a new variant of the virus that showed up in July but stayed dormant until November may be what's been driving the surge there. 5 vaccination supercenters opened in Southern California yesterday, but there's concern they soon will run out of shots. San Francisco's public health department says it will likely deplete its current supply tomorrow. New York City has vaccinated at least 500,000 people, but it's also running low on vaccines. President Biden has pledged 100 million vaccinations within his first 100 days in office.
Confusion persists tonight about Florida's COVID vaccine supply. The state surgeon general reportedly says we are running out as one hospital chain cancels its vaccination appointments.
But Senator Rick Scott says Florida has a big shipment on the way. CBS 4's Jessica Vallejo is trying to get answers for us, and she's live now with more. Jessica.
That's right, Lauren, Elliott. Well, many people here confused, disappointed, saying they couldn't get their appointment today. If you did have an appointment past January 20th, those have all been canceled. The only way you can get your dose here at Baptist Health is if you're coming for your second dose. Well, today we got some of those answers. Take a listen. Appointments canceled. Baptist Health announced late Tuesday afternoon supply constraints meant they would need to cancel already made appointments for people to get their first dose of COVID-19 vaccine.
I said to myself, there might even be somebody worse than me with a medical need that needs this, and I wanted to make sure I was trying to be fair. But I picked the 26th, and now I realize if I would have picked some earlier date, I would have had my vaccine.
We spoke with Larry Simon on the phone. He's immunocompromised. He had an appointment to get his first shot next Tuesday, the 26th. Simon is 59, so he's younger than the standard age to get the vaccine. But Baptist Health, unlike other sites, let people with high-risk conditions sign up.
It was devastating because I know that was my, one and only chance.
Baptist Health tells CBS 4 News they have not received an allocation of first-dose vaccines for this coming week and beyond, and when they will receive deliveries remains unclear. The hospital released a statement saying, quote, "We hope that the much-needed vaccine doses will be provided in the coming day, allowing us to reschedule canceled appointments as soon as possible based on vaccine availability. However, in the absence of stable supply, we believe it is in our community's best interest to cancel existing appointments and encourage patients to make new appointments elsewhere." Baptist Hospital says on Tuesday, Florida Surgeon General Scott Rivkees told hospital officials that he does not know when additional first doses of Pfizer or Moderna vaccines will be sent to the state or how many doses would be in a future shipment, saying that they are in a supply-limited situation. However, that same day, Senator Rick Scott tweeted Florida will receive close to an additional 300,000 vaccine doses by next week, saying, quote, "That's incredible news for Florida families."
My question would be when you get more doses, shouldn't we be the first people that are offered appointments?
Yeah.
And back out here at Baptist Health, just to be clear, if you had an appointment to get your second dose, those have not been canceled. We also reached out to the governor's office, but we have not heard back just yet. We're live in Kendall, Jessica Vallejo, CBS 4 News.
Jessica, thank you.